it was an India level competition, coding competition, pretty much similar what we are doing right now, like the plan for the day is. He stood first in the competition, and he got a direct offer from Capgemini Singapore. So the news is he's shifting to Singapore next month, and he'll be starting his journey with Capgemini Singapore within a month or two now. There wasn't a single interview round conducted, and he got selected just on the basis of coming first in this competition. This much powerful this idea is. A lot of companies these days are keeping such competitions. They get to evaluate a lot of people, and people who succeed in this, they get great offers. And like, I'm not telling, like, he's a good friend of mine, and I'm sharing this story of his, which is like really close to me. So this makes a lot of sense, and I'm very happy that your college is conducting this for you. This will give you good experience of how these coding competitions work, these quizzes work, and I'm sure this is going to help you a lot. So first of all, like I thank the team to giving us this opportunity to be associated with such an amazing idea. My name is Vivek Deshpande. I'm from AI Adventures. As name says, I belong to an AI company. And like, I'll give a disclaimer that I would be speaking with you for next 7 to 8 minutes. I want to share a few ideas of AI, share some experiences. I want to share some opportunities, what are in AI. I'm sure you must have also heard a lot about this buzzword, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, right? It's okay to unmute your mic. I want to hear it from you. I want to try and keep this put up. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm sure you must have heard this buzzword AI. Can anyone tell me why AI now? For last 2 years, AI is in great shape. There's a lot of scope, a lot of demand. Can anyone share their view why AI now? You are not audible. What is the reason that there is a lot of scope for this data science these days? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir. I think there is. Any of the students who want to interact?
Yeah. It's okay to give wrong answers. Perfectly all right.
So as we are enhancing with the technology, as technology is increasing, so we are going towards a tech-friendly world. So where we are making machines smarter, which they can do work same as humans. So that is AI, and we require AI for it.
Superb. Amazing. Anyone else want to contribute? Nice. Good answer.
AI is a sub-branch of machine learning, which deals with basically pattern recognition from a large amount of data and mimicking human brain intelligence.
Nice. Right. Super.
That's all.
So the real reason is good answers, but one of the major reason is we are generating a lot of data. With our every action, we are generating data. Because of the smartphone, everyone has this, ability to generate data. And we need a lot of people who can understand data, who can read data, who can come up with some insights, who can come up with some action items. One of the major reasons is we are generating a lot of data. Computational power is increasing day by day. And there are real good algorithms developed by researchers which are making this a lot easier to implement. I strongly believe these are 3 major reasons why, these are good days for artificial intelligence. Because we generate data, there's good computational power and amazing algorithms. Another and important reason is there is a lot of money involved. Companies like Airbnb, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, they are able to use AI and make it a real profitable business. As there is a lot of money involved, a lot of startups are investing their time on AI. Making sense to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Nice. So I want everyone to think for their favorite Android or iPhone app. Just a quick assignment. Just think of your favorite mobile app. My favorite is Swiggy, or YouTube is one of my favorite. Can anyone tell your favorite app? Any app you use in your mobile. Could be anything.
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Nice. Excellent. Thank you. Anyone else?
Instagram.
Amazing. Instagram. Superb. Anyone else?
Pinterest.
Nice. Nice. Think of two applications.
Amazon.
Amazon. Superb. Superb. Let's change the game big time. Amazon.
Discord.
Discord. Superb. Okay. Nice. Why I'm asking you this question is you write down two of your favorite apps and check on Google how these apps are using AI. So somebody said Amazon. Amazon uses AI for product recommendation. So Google Map is one of my favorite apps. So Google Map also uses AI to predict traffic. Uber uses AI to send you like nearest driver, to decide prices. I'm sure you must have seen Gmail reads your mail and automatically recommends you what could be a reply to the mail. 2 days back, I was sending an attachment to my Gmail and I forgot to attach it. The system read the mail and suggested, in your mail you have written, please find attached email, attached file, but you haven't attached it yet. This is again AI. Can anyone tell me what is our first encounter with AI in our day-to-day life? So if you open your mobile with a face recognition algorithm, if your mobile can read your face and unlocks it for you, it is using AI. That early we start with AI in our day-to-day life. My whole point is I want everyone to think of AI in day-to-day life. This curiosity will help you understand a lot of good things. Somebody said Instagram is their favorite app, one of my favorite apps too. So I want that person to search how Instagram is using AI for better results, and you will be amazed how much it matters. The whole purpose of my talk is to create that curiosity where AI is currently used in day-to-day life and where it can be used after that. Will you be doing this for me? You're going to check like how AI is used in our day-to-day life, right? Okay, I assume a lot of people are muted. Yeah. So before I sign up, I have another message. Like when I was told to speak, to address to young students, I was thinking what I would tell myself, younger self. What if I get a good opportunity to go back to college and start it again from college days? What is something I would do differently? I was thinking about it, and that is going to be my message to everyone. A lot of time we underestimate what can be achieved in long terms. I strongly recommend everyone to code for 40 minutes a day. Probably if you're in your second year, third year, or last year. Coding 40 minutes a day would make huge change. It might look like what I can achieve in 40 days. And a lot of times we underestimate what can be achieved in long term. So if someone in the audience is in second year and he or she is coding for 40 minutes every day for next 3 years, believe me, that person will be in a great position to shoot for Google, Facebook, Amazon, that sort of companies which are coming to India. We are very lucky and privileged to be staying in the country where opportunities in this field are huge. So what I would tell my younger self is code every day. If not 40 minutes, spend at least 30 minutes. The other message would be never miss it twice. So if by some reason you have to miss it, if you miss it today, try to make it tomorrow. Be a little more conscious and get back to your laptop, code for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. It is not the timing, it is the consistency which is going to help you. I can tell you. I wish you a lot of success. I strongly recommend people to build projects. These projects will open the door for internships, and internships eventually will help you getting good jobs. That is what I wanted to convey. I'm almost done from my side. I consider myself lucky to be in a young company. I wish everyone good luck. Take this very seriously, and it is going to have a real good positive impact in your life. I'm telling you this. This confidence will take you really far, and I'm sure you'll achieve a lot of success in your life. Again, thank you, team. Thank you, ma'am, for kind words, and I wish you luck.
Thank you, Vivek, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vivek, sir, for your valuable words and giving us two agendas, that is code every day and be consistent. Coming to the interesting part of the event, that are two events which are going to organized under Code Festa. I would request Suraj sir to bring light on this event.
Okay, thank you. Myself, Professor Suraj Boite from Computer Department and also coordinator of CSI Student Chapter. First of all, what is CSI? CSI is the Computer Society of India, established in 1965. The CSI is the first and largest body of computer professional in India. It is a non-profit professional meet to exchange view and information, learn and share ideas regarding advancement of theory and practices of computer engineering and technology system, science and engineering, information processing and many more. The national body now has a 72 chapters across India, 512 student branches and over 110,000 members, including IT industry leaders, scientists, and dedicated mathematicians. Now, CSI Student Chapter of Modern College of Engineering, established in 2011, is an active student organization which organizes a number of technical activities, including workshop, competition, seminar, guest lecture, technical events, etc., for its student members. Now, CSI Modern College of Engineering Student Chapter regularly organizes a different workshop, seminar, competition, and technical activity for the benefit of professional and user of IT, apart from conducting development program for professional researcher and students. Now I come to the today's event point. First event is Chase the Pie. The Chase the Pie is in association with CSI Student Chapter. And Chase the Pie is a technical event where a time of 10 minutes will be given along with code snippet and some code is missing from it. The participants have a guess correct missing word by typing and code will be in Python programming. Next event is Crack It. Crack It is a non-technical event. It is a live quiz competition where multiple participants can join and compete between each other. This will this quiz will be based on general knowledge topics ranging from local level to global level. For example, the question can be based on history, geography, science, social media, and company logo. And this event will be hosted on Visit platform. Okay, thank you.
Hello all, a very good morning to all of you. I am Mahesh Narayankar, event head of Code Fiesta 2022. Welcome you all to this event. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Dr. G.R. Igbote sir and Dr. Mrs. K.R. Joshi ma'am, Principal of PS Modern College of Engineering, for letting us host this event. And I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Vivek Deshpande sir, CEO of AI Adventures, and entire AI Adventures team for continuous support and sponsorship for the event. And I would like to thanks Dr. Mrs. Professor Dr. Mrs. S. A. Itkar ma'am and HOD of staff, HOD of Computer Department and staff coordinators for continuous support, guidance, and motivating all the participants. At last, I wish all participants a very best of luck. I request all participants to join respective links. And during event, if anyone is facing any problem, just drop a message. Feel free to drop a message on the respective groups. Thank you.
So here we end the inauguration event. So everyone please join the respective meets to participate in the event.
Yes. Thank you, Vivek sir. Thank you very
you.
much for attending the function, and we would be seeing you as you have been given the workshop, the internships also you have given. So the continuous connection with you we will expect in near future also. Thank you.
I'm
Thank you
looking
all.
forward for.
All the
Looking
best.
forward for. Thank you very much. Wish you luck, everyone.
Thank you, HOD ma'am. Thank you, Vivek sir.
All the best.